Hello, good morning students. So we have started the chapter playing with numbers. On that, our next topic is reversing the digits of a 3-digit number. So let us consider a 3-digit number. That is, suppose I am considering one number 796. Then reversing this number, we get a new number. On reversing, we get a new number, that is 697. So our new number is 697. Now if you subtract the original number from the number which you have reversed this number, you will get subtract the original number from the reversed number. So you will get 796 minus 697. So here we will get, on subtracting, 99. So when we get the difference 99, no. So the difference is 99 and into 1. Now it is divisible by, the difference is divisible by 99 and difference is also divisible by the difference of unit digit and hundreds digit. Like this is unit digit and this is hundreds digit. So the difference is, and it is divisible by 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1. So let's check this one. Consider a number, that is ABC. On reversing this number, you will get a new number, that is C, B and A. ABC, that is 100A plus 10B plus C, right? And this one is equal to 100C plus 10B plus A. So now we have to subtract this one. So on subtracting, suppose now in this, when you will subtract, there will be 3 cases. So in case 1, if A is greater than C, then the difference will be how much? Let's see. 100A plus 10B plus C minus 100C plus 10B plus A. Then how much you will got? You see 100A minus A. So if you subtract it, 100A minus plus minus minus A, that is 99A. Then plus 10B plus minus minus 10B, this will be cancelled. Plus C minus 100C, that is minus 99C. So you will get, if you will take 99 common, you will get A minus C. That means we can say if A is greater than C, on subtracting, if you will take a number, if you reverse it and if you will subtract it, that difference will be divisible by 99 and the difference of unit digit and hundreds digit. Okay, so this will be the case 1. Then case 2, suppose if C is greater than A, then what will happen? Now this one will be here, 100C plus 10B plus A minus 100A plus 10B plus C. So what will be? 100C minus C, that is 99C, plus 10B minus 10B cancel, plus A minus 100A, that is minus 99A. So if you will take here common, then C minus C. So the difference will be divisible by 99, and the difference of, you can see here, 100 digit and what, units digit. So this will be the case 2. So every time if you reverse a number, 3-digit number, then either if A is greater or C is greater, doesn't matter, every time the difference will be divisible by 99 and difference between hundreds digit and units digit. And case 3 though is very, this one you can see, C, if C is equal to A or A is equal to C, then what will be the difference? You can see here, and it will be cancelled. No, so the difference will be, so the difference will be, this will be 0. You put here and you will find that it will be 0. Now the second case. Second case, if you will take a 3-digit number, suppose I am taking a number 697 only I am taking, okay. Suppose I am taking a number, 3-digit number 697. Now this time we have to change the order of digits cyclically, okay. Like if I am taking 697, if you will change this order cyclically, then how you will change? Like this, 697 is the number, no, so cyclically you change 9, 7 and 6. So the new number will be 976, and the other number will be, start from here, 769. So 769. So if you change the order of digits cyclically, you will get a new number, that is 976 and 769. So if you change the order cyclically, you will get new number. Like see, 697 is there, so start from 9. So 9, 7 and 6. 9 completed, then start from 7, 769. So on changing the number, the digits cyclically, you will get 2 new numbers, this one. So now add these 3 numbers, we get, if you add this one, you will get 2, 4, 4 and 2, okay. Now if you see here, you will get 111 multiply by this will be the if you add these numbers, you will get 111 and multiply by 22, which is the sum of 6 plus 9 plus 7, 22, okay. And 111, 3 into 37 you can write here, into 22. So this will be the number, which is divisible by on adding these numbers. So if you take a 3-digit number and you change the order of digits cyclically to get a new number, then if you add these 3 numbers, whatever value you will get, this will always divisible, this will always number will be 111 into the sum of the 3 digits, and this one you can write 3 into 37. So it is always divisible by 111. This adding numbers will always divisible by 111, then the sum of the 3 digits and 37 and 3. Now let's solve some questions from your exercise. So from your exercise, question number 4, read this question. Without actual calculation, write the quotient when the sum of a 3-digit number is given A, B, C. Now this is equal to 100A plus 10B plus C. Now if you reverse changing the order digits cyclically, the question is saying that if you change the order cyclically, then BCA, start from B, BCA, I already told you. then C, A and B, that is 100C plus 10A plus B. So now when the sum of a 3-digit number A, B, C and the number obtained by changing the order. So if you add these, sum is telling, so you add these three numbers, 100A plus 10B plus C plus 100B plus 10C plus A plus 100C plus 10A plus B. So what you will get, 100A plus A and plus 10A, that is 111A plus 10B, 100B and B, so 111B plus C, 10C and 100C, so 111C. So if you will common 111 in bracket, you will get A plus B plus C. So from question 1, what it is saying, that if you divide the sum by 111, what you will get, you see here, if you divide this sum by 111, what you will get, 111 and 111 get cancelled and you will get the answer A plus B plus C. This will be the answer. Then for second, if this number is divisible by A plus B plus C, then what you will get, this one and this one gets cancelled and the answer will be 111. In 3, I told you that 111, you can write this 3 into 37. So if this number is divisible by, if you divide this by 37, you can see 37 and 37 cancel and you will get the answer 3 into A plus B plus C. Then for 4, if this divisible by 3, then 3 and 3 cancel and you will get 37 into A plus B plus C. So this will be your solution. Now let's solve the question number 9. So in this question, the middle digit of a 3-digit, suppose a 3-digit number I am taking A, B, C. Let the 3-digit number be A, B and C. A, B, C, sorry. So here it is given that middle digit of a 3-digit number is 0. That is B is equal to 0. And the sum of the other 2 digits is 11. That means A plus C is equal to 11. Okay. So this is the 2 condition. Then according to question, what it is saying, that if the number obtained by reversing the digits exceeds the original number by 495. So on reversing the 3-digit number, you will get CBA. Okay. So if you reverse this one, you will get CBA. That is what? 100C plus 10B plus A, and here 100A plus 10B plus C. Okay. Now according to question, you can see that if the number obtained by reversing the digit, you will get this one, 100C plus 10B plus A exceeds the original number by 495. 495 say you are exceeding the number. So 100A plus 10B plus C. So now solve this equation. You will get, you have to minus 100A minus 10B minus C is equal to 495. So here minus 10B minus plus 10B cancel, 100C minus C 99C and minus 99A at 495. Take 99 common, C minus A is equal to 495. Then this one will be cancelled by 5. So C minus A is equal to 5. This will be the second equation. Consider this one be one equation. So now you can see here, you solve these 2 equations by elimination method. You will get So C plus A is equal to 11. Here C minus A is equal to 5. Solve this, plus minus cancel. 2C is equal to 11 plus 5, that is 16. So C is equal to 16 by 2, that is 8. Now put the value of C in equation anywhere, 1 or 2, anywhere. So here if I am putting the value, you will get C is equal to A is equal to 11 minus C. So 11 minus 8, that will be 3. So the number will be, what will be the number? Number will be ABC, that is 100A plus 10B plus C, that is 100 into A. Put the value 3 plus 10 into B. B is what? B is 0. So into 0 and plus C. C is what? 8. So the answer will be 300 plus 0. Leave this one and plus 8. That is 308. This will be your answer. So the next question, that is question number 10. Let's solve this one. In a 3-digit number, units digit, tens digit and hundreds digit are in the ratio 1:2:3. Let the 3-digit number be A, B and C. Okay, ABC, sorry, don't say A, B and C, ABC. So let the 3-digit number be ABC. So now it is given that units digit, tens digit, hundreds digit are in the ratio 1:2:3. That is, you see here units digit C is to tens digit B, hundreds digit A. So here it is given 1:2:3, right? So from here we can say C is equal to X if I am taking, then B is equal to 2X, then A is equal to 3X. This one. Now question is saying, if the difference of original number, this is the original number, 100A plus 10B plus C. If the difference of original number and the number obtained by reversing the digit. So if you reverse, on reversing this digit, we get C, B, A. That is 100C plus 10B plus C. So what it is saying, that if the difference of original number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 594. So 100A plus 10B plus C minus 100C plus 10B plus C is equal to given 594 according to question. Now solve this one. 10B minus 10B cancel. 100, this will be A, sorry, this will be A. So 100A minus A, 99A plus C minus 100C minus 99C. So is equal to 594. So if you take 99 common, you will get A minus C is equal to 594. 99, if you cancel this one, you will get 6. So A minus C is equal to 6. Okay. Now this to come, put the value. A value is 3x, C value is x. Put here 3x minus x is equal to 6. So you will get 2x is equal to 6, that is x is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So the value of x, you will get 3. So put the value of x in here. You will get C is equal to x, that is x is 3. B is equal to 2x, that is 2 into 3, that is 6. And C is equal to, A is equal to 3x, that is 3 into 3, that is 9. So the number will be, the number is equal to 100A plus 10B plus C, that is 100 into A is what, 9 plus 10 into B is what, 6 and plus 6, 3. That is 900 plus 60 plus 3, that is 963. So complete your homework from the assignment. Thank you.